look at it. It looks like, I don't know, like ice flakes. And then you have big salt pits out there. It's not snow and it's not ice, it's salt. Oh yeah, this is definitely water. Beautifully red colors there. Look all that salt from the lake here, stacked up high. I wonder if you can ski on that. Oh, it's sticky salt. All the bikes. Once before we hit the hotel, about 80 kilometers. Definitely time to get on some extra gloves. Okay, done with fueling. Boys and girls, welcome to Aksaray.